Hi kindergarten, welcome to Miss Hirsch's Kinder Corner. We're going to take a look at some sentence writing today. So last week you guys built a sentence about yourself. You did an autobiography by making a sentence, 3 sentences about yourself. And you remember I showed you 3 sentences about Isaac. So we did, my name is Isaac. And then the second sentence was, I am 3 years old, but I don't have that sentence here right now. And then we had, I like to eat chicken soup. And you cut out your sentences and you made them into sentences by mixing up the words and rebuilding them. So the next thing we're going to do with these sentences that we made is we're going to write our sentences using Mr. Spaceman. Do you remember Mr. Spaceman? And we're going to use a scribbler. So if you have your journal still at home, your sharing book that we were using, then you can write in your sharing book. If not, I know lots of you are just using lined paper at home, which is fine. So I'm going to copy one word at a time from the sentences that I made, and I'm going to write them into my scribbler. So I've got my spaceman ready. I'm using a Sharpie so that you can see what I'm writing, but when you do this, you're going to use pencil. Okay, my is my first word, so I'm going to start with my M and my Y, and Y goes under the line, and then I have to remember when I start my next word to put spaceman down. My, and then I have the word name, N-A-M-E, and then I have to move my spaceman because name is done. Is I-S, and then I move my spaceman. Oops, if I run out of space, what do? I have to move to the next line. You can leave a space, and then you're going to write your name. I'm writing Isaac's name because those are the sentences I made last week. Isaac, I-S-A-A-C. I better not forget, my sentence is done. I need Captain Period. So Captain Period goes behind the name, Isaac. Now I'm starting my next sentence. Instead of going down underneath Isaac, I'm going to start right next to my period. I is my first word. Spaceman. I. That's a quick word, right? Spaceman. Like, L-I-K-E, spaceman. If it looks like I have no space, then I'm going to go to the next line. 2. I'm going to write 2 underneath Isaac. 2, spaceman. Eat, E-A-T. I move my spaceman. Do you remember what Isaac said he likes to eat? Chicken soup. C-H, chicken. I don't have space there to write soup, so I'm going to go down underneath 2, and I'm going to write soup. S-O-U-P. Captain Period. We can't forget that's at the end of a sentence. Now, boys and girls, I just did 2 sentences. You have 3 that you made. You don't have to do all 3 sentences, though, in your writing book. You can just do 2. But to help me remember what I wrote, I'm going to draw a quick picture. I'm going to draw a picture of a bowl of soup. That way I might remember that Isaac was writing about eating chicken soup. And I'll put a spoon in there. And that is my first writing piece about myself, except this is about Isaac. You're going to do the same thing. See you guys next time.